If you're new to working out, you can get started by doing cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises every week to help you get in shape. Cardio exercises like walking, running, and cycling help you burn calories and are great for your heart. According to the American Heart Association, you should aim to do 25 minutes of vigorous cardio 3 days a week, or 30 minutes of moderate cardio 5 days a week. Strength training exercises like push-ups, crunches, and squats help you tone and build your muscles. Try to do strength training 2 to 3 times a week, and make sure you're targeting all of your muscle groups every week so you're getting a full body workout. Remember to incorporate flexibility exercises too, like twists, stretches, and yoga poses, which help loosen your muscles and prevent injuries during your workouts. Do flexibility exercises at least 3 days a week. You can do your workouts at home using an exercise mat and some free weights, or you can join a gym for access to more equipment. You can also go for walks, runs, or bike rides outdoors. Just make sure you take off 1 to 2 days per week so your body has time to recover from your workouts.